Hi guys! Today we're going to show you the Tiger convertible hand truck. This is the junior model. It comes with the double grip handles in the back, and it has a 42-inch by 12-inch platform in the four-wheel position. In the upright position, it has a 52-inch height, 600-pound capacity when upright, and 1,200 in four-wheel position. This model is equipped with the 10-inch pneumatic wheels and a 7.5 by 18-inch beveled nose plate. The unit converts very easily from 2 to 4 wheels. Simply kick the latch over here. You're in the four-wheel position. If you want to stand it up, simply go like this and bang, 2 wheels. The cross braces are 1 3/4 inches, and you have 3 of them on the junior model. A solid, high-quality hand truck without the high price tag. Available exclusively at handtruckstogo.com. Tiger Junior Convertible Hand Truck. Get one today.
Gut.